Do you love yogurt?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Hey, welcome back to Our Family B. I'm Brigitte, this is Brielle, and this is Benjamin. And we're gonna make an easy Instant Pot yogurt. Super simple, the whole family can do it. It's only 3 ingredients if you wanna make it sweetened, so let's get into it. This is my first time making yogurt in the Instant Pot, so I'm just gonna walk you through it as I do it. I'll link the original video that I'm kind of following the recipe for down below. I am all about simple and easy and frugal, and so since this will make a half gallon at a time because we're gonna use this milk, it's definitely a cheaper alternative to making yogurt. And to make it sweet, we're gonna use this sweetened condensed milk from Costco. Okay, so what ingredients are you gonna need? We've got a half gallon of organic whole milk, and this is the ultra pasteurized, which is the kind that apparently you need. We've got some regular Greek yogurt here. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of this. And a can of sweetened condensed milk. And we're gonna need a tablespoon and a whisk and a can opener. So we have the Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus, and we're going to use the base, but we're not gonna use the lid. We're actually just gonna use this pot lid that I have for another pot, but it's gonna fit perfectly on here. And if you don't have something that perfectly fits your Instant Pot, then you can just use a plate or something to cover it. Because the Instant Pot is not coming up to pressure or anything, it's just keeping it at a low temperature for about 8 hours. The first thing the recipe calls to do is to add 2 tablespoons of your yogurt starter. So we're just gonna use a regular yogurt, Greek yogurt, to the Instant Pot liner. Dump it in, tap it, tap, tap, tap. Ooh, okay, tap, tap, tap. And we're gonna pour about a half of a cup into here, so ready? Now we're gonna whisk it together.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yeah. And get all that yogurt out.
Benjamin watched the video with me on how to make this. I think it's great when you try to get your kids involved in helping you make meals and cooking stuff, because then they learn how, for one, and it helps them to eat things they might not have tried before. The recipe says to make sure it gets all incorporated completely so that there's no clumps, and that when you pour the rest of the milk in, it gets all incorporated. Creamy and foamy. Now we're gonna open the sweetened condensed milk pan. Okay, squeeze. You want to help? Okay, in a minute. You just helped. Now we're going to slowly pour in the rest of the half gallon of the milk.
All of it?
All of it. Okay, careful. Good. Perfect. Perfect, Benjamin. Oh, this is looking so good. Look at that.
Burping. Burping.
Yeah.
I will.
You want it all foamy and yummy looking.
Ooh, so foamy.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, now I'm gonna go to the store.
Okay. Okay, now that we've incorporated all the ingredients, we're going to put it in the Instant Pot.
I'll go play.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna go play? Okay. Go.
I'll play.
Okay, now I'm gonna put the lid on. And on my Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus, I'm just gonna hit the yogurt button. And mine has 3 settings. That has custom, pasteurize, and ferment. When I hit the pasteurize button, it says 3 minutes, so I don't think that's the one I wanna use, but when I hit the ferment button, it comes up with an automatic 8 hours, and that is what I want. 19? Okay. And I'm just gonna hit start. So I'm just gonna watch it go through the bars and see. I will check back in and let you guys know. And when it's all done, before I put it in the refrigerator to cool, it says either 4 hours or overnight on the video that I watched on how to make this, then I will check back in with you guys before I get to that point. Thus far, super simple. Definitely would have taken me less time without the kids, but basically all you do is combine the ingredients and throw it in the Instant Pot and push the buttons. I'm all about easy recipes, so I love that.
Hey guys, Brandon jumping in here to let you know that it is time to select the winner of our 5K giveaway. You might remember that we decided to celebrate 5,000 subscribers on Our Family B. We're going to give away an espresso with the Aerochino milk frother. And we told you just type in hashtag #OurFamilyB along with the kind of content you wanted to see more of. And we would get you an espresso machine. We're going to randomly select somebody right now who meets that criteria. Who is it? And AJ Davis. congratulations, AJ. Shoot us an email at contact.ourfamilyb@gmail.com and we'll let you know how to get your Nespresso.
Okay, it is much later in the day and we are gonna check on the yogurt. It has been 7.5 hours and I think I'm gonna take it out now to cool in the fridge. So let's see what it looks like. All right, so it is a little watery top, but it seems very smooth and firm. I don't want to stick my spoon in it yet because I want to put it in the fridge to cool. Smelling it, smells like yogurt, so let me put it in the fridge and then I will check back with you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna put this whole thing in the fridge. It's warm, but you can definitely handle it and touch it. Going in. See you in a bit.
The next day.
How does it look? How does it smell? Does it smell good? Does it smell like yogurt?
It smells so good.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, little scoop. Whoa. All right, do a taste test. Let me see.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Good.
What do you think?
I got you.
You like it?
Oh, tastes like cotton candy. Cotton candy.
Like
More? Oh my god.
yeah, that's really good.
I'm gonna get a big bite.
Okay, got a big bite. Hi, is that so good?
We should have some for lunches.
Yes, we could.
I'm gonna taste it now.
Yummy.
Pretty good. Also, but it's really good.
I told you.
It's actually really good.
So,
Good job.
Greek Island for
Really quite good.
one,
Not gonna
so
lie.
it'd be 5
Oh,
cents
wolves.
of the.
I'm gonna go eat the other quart, but it's so yummy. Really good. When you made it years ago in the oven in little mason jars, remember? It was not this good.
No, it wasn't. And this
was not
is
this
way
good.
simpler.
So much easier. Wow.
Okay, I think it's safe to say that it's a hit. So it's really not overly sweet. It's just sweet enough. And you can see it got thick and creamy. This was great. I could have added even a little vanilla extract, but it's fantastic. I mean, the sweetened condensed milk, yes, it has sugar, but I mean, this was a whole half gallon of milk to, 1 can of the sweetened condensed milk. And it really was, it's excellent. It's very excellent. And definitely you can eat this with fruit, with some granola. I mean, it tastes like vanilla already.
So good. And it kind of tastes like cotton candy mixed with vanilla.
It really does, and I didn't even add any flavoring. So definitely worth trying if you've got an Instant Pot, right? All right, let's save room for dinner.
Homemade yogurt is the best than other store yogurts because it's so good because you make it and you can add what you want, but you have to follow the ingredients.
Yes, that's true, and I didn't even tell him to say that.
Thanks for watching.
If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It's actually one of the best ways to support our channel. Check out some other videos that we've done here on the screen, and until we meet again, don't forget, life is better together.